All right, week one, 2018. It's been a long year. I've had to explain a lot. Did I get it right? Yeah, I think I got it right. Although, of course, my timing's off. Who's going to argue that? But I now have a lot of proof that buyers are stepping into silver, and I have zero doubts about the future. So let's first take a look at AG's chart. Here it is. And let's concentrate on the past, I believe it was the past 2 weeks here in the blue box, just like I did before Christmas. And now let's take a quick look at the volume. Okay, that was the volume for the past 8 days. Even though it isn't dramatically over the average, you should notice that things are picking up here. There is a hell of a lot more volume coming in. And now that obviously Friday, well, I see for the past 3 days, the value of AG was dropping below that pivot point. Past 4 days. 4 days ago it started off below it and got above it. Now it's closed above it. That could be a bull flag in those past 4 days. Shooting above the pivot point, shooting above resistance, the moving averages, and then closing for the past 3 days above it. And that on Friday closing right on that pivot point, showing me that there might possibly be support there. The next thing for AG to do then is to get above the 200-day moving average. Expect it. That's what I'm expecting. And to be honest with you, for the past 16 days now, on my Christmas video, I was showing you the volume coming in for the past 16 days. There has been a huge increase in volume. And what happens when a single stock, the volume increases in it? Usually the value is going to go up. More people are trading it. So expect something big this week. I am. Silver futures daily chart. Looks to me like we might, there's a rally that's beginning. Take a look at the past, month or so. Maybe 19 days, 18 days, somewhere around there. Now we're above the 20 EMA, the 50 EMA. Blew right past those. Blew right past the blue support, resistance trend lines. Trading above the 200-day moving average. Past couple days we've been coming down, retesting. Buyers stepping back in. Doesn't look like they're going to let this drop. Stochastics look like they're embedded in the overbought. Buyers, buyers, buyers. That's what it means. Relative strength index looks like it's about to peg above 70. MACD indicator above the divergence line. I think we got a rally, guys. I see those red dash resistance lines above us, past overbought areas. Way it works is these traders are going to keep buying to retest those areas, and if they get above it, they're going to look for support on it, and then they're going to keep buying. Why? Because they want to make money, just like everyone else. They can't sit around and talk to each other. They can't get people to buy stuff. But if they use these charts to communicate with one another, then it's legal. Maybe that's the trick. DO Daily Chart. Any questions? Bueller? You get the point. I'm going to say that was a double bottom last year towards July area. And I'm going to say buyers started stepping in since then. Do I need to go look at the earnings reports, news stories, listen to the experts? Nope. I got a chart right here. Shows me buyers are stepping in. Any questions? Let's take a look at maybe why it's been in a rally. Let's take a look at the crude oil futures. Daily chart crude oil futures. Any questions? Stochastics embedded in the overbought area. Relative strength indicator looks like it wants to shoot back above 70 possibly. MACD indicator above the divergence line. We've been watching this for a while, guys. I have nothing more to say on it. I think you get my point. And I see that upper blue resistance trend line maybe around the $65 area, 66. Let's see if we can blow past it. I got this gut feeling that line may not be there, or there may not be much resistance in that line. Let's keep watching. I got good feelings. Well, guys, I got a feeling we're going to see the US dollar close below 91.33. That's been the lowest point over the past year. And once we break that, the damn walls have broke. You can make yourself a rule that buying attracts more buyers, selling attracts more sellers. And you can take a guess at what's going to happen with the US dollar as soon as it closes below 91.33. For the past year, I've been saying this thing's going to drop, and it has, although it's taken its sweet old time. You can always count on that. It will screw with your head. For me, not this time. I'm certain I'm in charge of this mother. I know where it's going, and I'm going to play it to the max. Relax, guys. Things are looking great. I have a good feeling we're going to see those stochastics stay in that oversold area. Let's watch it this week. To sum things up, I know it's been a long road. It's been a hard battle. But you can see the US dollar is about to lose it. It's on its lows. Stochastics embedded in the oversold area. I got a feeling that it's just going to continue. Silver futures have been rallying for at least the past 3 weeks. Oil futures, I hope you can use the proof of what's happened in oil to give you a little bit more confidence in silver. It is so close, guys. The market's going to screw with your mind. Just lay low. Everything's good. We've got support. And when AG takes off, I can promise you it'll be nothing short of amazing. And if you think you're going to wait for the last second to get in, I wish you luck. I wish you all the best. But I can tell you this is going to be a roller coaster ride you will never forget. And I swear it's going to scare the shit out of you when you think you're going to get in after a 20% pop up in it. And I see it coming. The volume is there. Traders, all eyes on AG. The traders are coming for it. They're on the hunt. Let's make some money.